Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. More than likely, welcome. Pretty new to this whole YouTube thing, but either way, I appreciate you guys so much for being here. Yeah, today we are in Coron. We are going to a hot springs, and then we're going to a beach called Cabo Beach, and then we're going to a waterfall. It's called Conception Falls. Other than that, that's probably about it. Hope you guys are having a good day. If you haven't yet, go like and subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you there. Thanks a lot. Adios. Bye. Alright, we're currently at Cabo Beach in Coron. Cabo. Pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. Yeah. Kind of a surprise because I just left my hotel and went to one of the tuk-tuk drivers and said I want to do something. I just don't know what I want to do or where I want to go. And this is the first suggestion, and then after this we're going to the hot springs. I have no idea what that place looks like either. This is all a surprise, which I really like. I like surprises. I don't like to ruin things. Yeah, we're just gonna walk on this for a minute. Doesn't seem too big here. Slippery. So slippery here. I almost fell like 3 times already in the last 5 minutes. I'm a klutz. Tripping over everything, losing everything. Literally losing everything, dude. I'm losing camera batteries. I'm losing. Oh, it's beautiful. Losing camera batteries. I'm losing everything, dude. Oh, beautiful. Look at this. So cool.
Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me. No matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Head underwater, I'm swimming harder, trying to keep this alive. Gotta find my way to you, now that our love has capsized.
Coron yesterday. I'll be here for like 10 days. Then I have to go to Boracay because I have to renew my visa. Unfortunately, I can't do it online. Not the first one, but yeah, dude, this is gorgeous. Beautiful spot. Oh, my foot. Ooh, gorgeous. Ooh. Oh, my foot. I already cut my foot open. Oh. Beautiful. Oh, it's nice and rocky. It's not sandy at all. Alright, I'm at my second stop today. This is Hot Springs. I don't know if there's a specific name, but it's just Hot Springs. It's like a 5-minute drive from, what was the name? Cabo Beach, I think, the name of it. Yeah, it was 300 pesos to get in here, so hopefully it's pretty cool. Oh, okay, alright. I have no idea what to expect because it's pretty impromptu. Cool. Nice, cool. I wasn't expecting to do like any of this today. Yeah, today was like super unexpected. Went to the gym today. I'm like, I need to take advantage of this sun. Yeah, this is cool. Sunny days are few and far between. So I had to make the most of it today. Glad I came out. It's Cool. Yeah, this is a pretty cool area. Assuming the water is hot. Goes without saying. Alright, I dipped my legs in and it is actually way too hot. It's not refreshing at all. But it is really beautiful. Holy moly. It's like hot bath water. Whew. Ugh. Alright, I don't know. I'm gonna spend a minute in here, that's probably about it. Oh, it's like a jacuzzi. It's like a hot tub. Literally. Oh. Not refreshing at all. Not when it's 90 something degrees outside, but I'm getting used to it. It feels a little better. Okay, it's cooler. It's not hot. Alright, this is better. Alright, never mind. I lied. It's still hot. Whew. Oh my god. The last place, just like every place I seem to go, I cut my foot open. It's really cool though. I love like these impromptu like little expeditions. Oh. Oh, slimy. Nice. Love it. Nice and slimy. Yeah, I had no clue I was going to the other beach, and then this today, I didn't know where I was going. I just said, hey, what's a good spot? And then they took me there, and now I'm here. The joy of being in the Philippines. Don't know what you're getting yourself into. Ugh. Sweating in the water. Ugh. That guy's all tuckered out. I don't know why he's sleeping, dude. It'll suck the life out of you. Ugh. All right, we are at Conception Falls.
This is a season time go to the Conception Falls.
Yeah.
It's the rainy. Rainy season. This is the best time.
Yeah, I know. I came at the worst time.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Watch your step, guys.
Careful. Careful.
Okay. We're good?
Oh yeah, we're good. I'm just a klutz. Yeah, this is Conception Falls. Not that Conception, different Conception. Not too sure what this place looks like, but it's gonna be cool though. Costs a lot of money to get here, about 1,500 pesos, which was roughly, I don't know, $28-ish, around there. Took about 45-minute ride to get here from Coron City Central area where I was. can hear running water. Oh my god, I'm gonna trip and fall. Don't jinx it. Oh, this is real pretty out here. Love it. Oh, this is cool. Wow. Beautiful. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Side to side of rock, this side.
Huh? Oh, over here.
Good.
There we go. Got me and my buddy Mark here. It's real pretty. Nice. Alright, I think this is it. Cool.
Nothing but the blood, nothing but the blood, Jesus. Nothing but the blood, nothing but the blood, Jesus. Nothing but the blood, nothing but the blood, Jesus.
Yeah. Got this whole place to myself. Except for me and Mark. Other than that, by myself. god, this water is freezing. Oh my god. Woo. Oh my god. It's not like ocean water, this is like a little cold, a little chilly. It's making my Audi into an innie. You know what I mean? Oh, this is cool. Oh my god, oh my god, it's so cold. Whew. Oh my god. Freezing. Alright, on the count of 50. That wasn't 50. Oh dang. That slapped. Oh dang. Nice.